Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to make PayPal account or how to open PayPal account. To start, open your internet browser and search for PayPal. Then click on the link that says www.paypal.com. In here, you'll need to enter your email address or mobile number. Or you can click on the sign up button. Once done tapping on it, the website will now load. Now wait for the website to finish fully loading. Once the website loads, you will see here that it says it's free to sign up to PayPal. In here, click on Personal Account, then tap on the button that says Next. Now wait for the website to finish fully loading once again. Now the next step is, you will go back to the website and then in here, it will ask you to select your country or region. In here, just input your country or region. In here, I'm going to be reading a step-by-step process on how to create your PayPal account. Step 1 is to select your account type. Then step 2, create your login details. On step 3, tell PayPal more about yourself. Then on step 4, link your credit or debit card. In step 5, you will need to verify your email address. And then on step 6, verify your mobile phone number. This is optional though. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.